guys, okay, moving on to the next video, just going to run through some procedures inside the car here now.
Connected.
So with ignition on there, we need to start the car up there. See, all the warning lights go off. On private ground here anyway, so yeah, handbrake on, handbrake off. See the light going on and off there. You can also see that we've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, and the other lower gears there to here. All this can be done with the foot brake on, handbrake on. Steering check there, just making sure that's all okay as well. So the brake pedal has got some feeling in it as well, and also we've got the handbrake is nice and secure, doesn't move about. Switch it off for a minute. Now moving on to controls here, we've got the horn in the middle. By pushing this button here, we have hazard warning lights, breakdown situation, etc. You've also got a heated front and rear windscreen demister controls there. All the other controls down here are for hot and cold, air conditioning, and all the speeds there. So we've got various different speeds, hot and cold just by twisting the dial there. And then depending where you want it, so you can put it up towards the windscreen and feet. Generally keep it on that one. So indicators, here, down for left, should self-cancel on your turn, and then up for right, again self-cancel when they turn. The lighting switch here should be set to 0, side lights, dip beam. You've also got auto lights here as well, and if you pull the switch out in the dip beam position, it then puts the front and rear fog lights on if it's fitted to the vehicle. This one's got front and rear fog lights on, so conditions of poor visibility, less than 100 meters there, you would use that. Put them off again, push it in, move it back to there. This is your headlamp aim adjustment there, so if you're towing, etc., you may adjust that to alter the position of the headlights. Generally we have that on 0. Washers here, push the washer in, puts the front washers on. One of the show me tell me questions. You push it down for one wipe, push it up for intermittent, which has got a timer on here as well, which you can adjust it, and then you've got the faster speeds as you go up back to off position. Bonnet release, sorry, not bonnet release, the boot release is here. When you're stationary and you need to get out of the boot, just press that, opens the boot on this car. The bonnet lever for the car is over there, so you can remove that and open the bonnet. Just release the lever down there. Dual control there on the brake there. Pedal wise, obviously you've just got the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal there on that one. Electric window switches are here, so just power them down. Even the windows open at the moment with the current conditions. We've also got wing deflectors there and on the back as well, so they're open ajar at the moment anyway. So yeah, just up and down window positions there. Just one thing with the interior mirror as well, you've got the dim dip facility there, so if there's lights shining brightly from behind at night, the same as someone's got their main beam on, just tilt that away and it dips the beam away from it. Some have got an electronic device up here which has got a sensor on it, which then allows the car to dim dip automatically as well. Anything in the car, you want to keep it securely stowed away. You don't want anything rattling about or running around in the vehicle. Keep that all nice and secure. Stereo controls there, it's got Bluetooth, etc., things like that. Different facilities there. We try and not use the phones at all. It's better to have no distractions. Pop it all in the glove box or in the boot out the way generally. Okay, so yep, that's your basic cockpit drill and some basics of the controls lesson. I'll go into things a bit more in depth on the actual lessons, but with the current situation, I just thought I'd show you this. It could be useful for Show Me Tell Me and anyone that's starting the lessons as well. Just give you a bit of an idea of what we do on the control side. Just going back to the displays again, once you've got the fuel gauge here, there, and straight there, it's got about just over half a tank, nearly 3/4 of a tank. That's your temperature gauge. You've got your rev counter on that side, and then your speedometer on the outer scale there in miles per hour. It's currently set to the range on there, so 16 degrees outside, and the distance to empty is 186 miles roughly. So you've got some displays on there. You can reset what you're looking at by pressing the button on the end here on this car, and that will give you average fuel and trip mileage, etc., stuff like that on there. So this is a Ford Fusion 1.6 titanium automatic that we're using at the moment for automatic lessons. I'll do another one for the Ford Kuga that I use for the towing and trailer training sessions as well, so you've got some idea of that. I'm also going to do some outside underbonnet checks as well, so you've got all that information in regard to that as well. Other things you want to be careful of and be sure of is just make sure that all your windows are clean, demisted. Depending on the weather conditions outside, you want to make them nice and clean, no scratches or anything to impair your vision all round. Windows are nice and clear and clean. The interior of the car is clean as well. And just use all the ancillary bits that you can on the vehicle to keep you cool as well. Air conditioning, etc. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers.